we are from PETECH and we are having customer from PETECH. Can you please let us know how is your experience in precision machine store, Lana?
It's a good experience, I can say, and we have purchased few machines from them. It's good, and their service is also really good. We appreciate their association with us.
Which product you like the most?
I like the HMC, which is the new one.
May I know the
630
reason?
One is the cost. That's the most what we look at, and maybe the performance. That will be experienced later.
How do you see the relation with the precision machine tools ahead? Like in future, how do you see?
Yeah, we are associated, so for me it's almost like friends. So anytime I can call, take the help. So good.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks.
I hope you enjoy here.
Yeah,
Thank
you
you.
too.
Sir.
Thanks a lot.